Number three, which is considered as the respiratory center of the brain? A, we have the cerebrum, B, cerebellum, C, thalamus, and D, medulla oblongata. Okay, we have here the structure of the human brain. Palakihin lang natin. Ang A natin, we have the cerebrum, which is the largest part of our brain kung saan kinokontrol dito yung ating movement, speech, emotion, yung nakikita natin, naririnig, and also, syempre, intelligence. Ang B natin, we have here the cerebellum na nasa bandang baba. It regulates our posture and balance. Ganun din yung coordination ng ating eye movement, motor learning din kung saan kapag ikaw ay nagpa-practice mag-bike and mag-play ng mga musical instrument, dito yan sa cerebellum. And ang pangatlo natin, we have here the thalamus, itong bandang gitna. Okay, this is our body's information relay station kung saan yung mga body senses, except yung smell ay pinaprocess bago ipadala sa ating cerebral cortex for the interpretation. Nire-regulate din dito yung pagtulog at ang ating pagiging gising. At ang huli natin, we have the medulla oblongata na nasa bandang baba kung saan kumukonekta ang ating brain at spinal cord. Okay, involved ito sa ating minute-to-minute control of breathing. Kaya kino-consider ito as the respiratory center of the brain. So ito na yung sagot natin. Balikan natin ang ating mga choices. So ang tamang sagot ay letter D, the medulla oblongata.